how to fix mail app missing on iPhone. So all you have to do first and foremost is to go here to your app store. Now all you have to do is on the bottom part you'll see search icon and just simply search for mail, and you will see this one. Click on that. Now here you'll see this cloud icon, right? So if you click on that, it will actually reinstall the application again, and then all the information, the past accounts, passwords will still be registered there. So even if you uninstalled it and then install it again, the data there are still intact. So tap on open here, and it will ask for account that you want to open. So for example, Google here, you want to use that one. All you have to do is to open your account there. So basically you will see iCloud. Click on that, and on the bottom part you will see your iCloud email. Just click on that, and as you can see you'll be automatically redirected to your mailboxes here, and basically that is it. And that is how you fix mail app missing on iPhone. And basically, if let's say your settings, once you download your application, for example this one, it won't be registered anywhere here, right? You cannot see the mail. So where is the mail? So all you have to do is to go to the application library. So go to the very last panel where you can see app library here, and all you have to do is to search for mail and long press mail here and drag it anywhere around the panel. So this panel depends on you and your convenience. So go here. So for me, I want to put it here in the second to the last panel, and basically that is it. That is how you fix mail app missing on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.